morning, everybody. It is really cold up here today. Minus 25 Celsius and the wind chill is minus 33 this morning. Obviously that's Celsius, but hey, at least we got nice sunshine today, right? Some people are worried about snow up there in Alberta and all that. They're supposed to be getting up to about a foot of snow up in that area. I'm out here where there's no snow at all. And talked to a buddy of mine there. He was shutting her down yesterday afternoon there, or yesterday morning in Pennsylvania because of all that storm coming through up there. And here I am sneaking in between these two storms, so I guess I'm lucky today. Oh, there's a Penner coming south. He must have left early. Oh, I'm surprised he's already up here. Oh well, anyways, we're just cruising up and down the road, and the reason why I said I'm surprised he's already down here is because I'm only about 20 miles away from the border and I'll be in Canada already, so yeah, I guess he must have left at 7 o'clock this morning then, I would think. If he left from the yard, who knows, maybe he crossed the border and just went to the first rest area, or that first truck stop up there just across the border. Who knows, maybe he did that last night. But anyways, we're being told that they want me to go deliver this load direct now. Originally I was just supposed to go drop it at the yard, and I guess they saw that I left early this morning and I'm just hammering down, right? Now they want me to go deliver this load. I'm like, I don't know, I didn't really want to do that, but I guess I can do it. No problem, I guess, but I had my mind made up that I was just going to drop it, right? But hey, they got to make an appointment first. They told me to send in an ETA when I'll be in Winnipeg, so I don't know. We'll see if they'll actually get an appointment for me to actually go deliver this load, but you never know. You never know. But anyhow, I'm already made myself available to go out on Saturday. Tomorrow is Friday, so I'll do a reset tomorrow and go out on Saturday again. Get the miles rolling, right? I got myself a plan and I'm going to try and make it happen like I said the other day, right? Anyhow, let's go on. I'll probably stop in Morris at the Tim Hortons over there, and probably go in there and grab me a quick bite to eat and have me a good cup of coffee. I haven't been at Timmy's in a good while, so I might just go in there and do that. Welcome to Manitoba, ladies and gentlemen, where the rough road begins. Yeah, I always make fun of it, but hey, that's the truth. It really is. It really is the truth. And it appears that our chicken coop is open again.
To the left
our scale here in Manitoba.
Highway 75.
Oh well, what can I do? Anyways, let's go ahead and go see if the scale wants anything from us today. If not, we'll be on our way to Winnipeg. Still haven't heard back from dispatch yet if they managed to get an appointment or not, but I guess I'm going to have to call the dispatcher in Winnipeg. Find out if they want me to bring it to the yard or if they really want me to go deliver this load, right? Oh, yeah, this is a rough stretch here. It does smooth out, you're just down the road here, but it's usually a bit rough here the first little stretch. So let's go see. I see a few trucks in there. Who knows? Here we go, guys. We are now on our way home, sweet home. Yes, indeed. I had to go deliver that load, but when I got to the customer, I got a satellite message saying just drop it in door 57. So I went inside and checked in with the customer there, and he said, yep. Did you get a message saying you dropped the trailer? I said, yep, that's exactly what I got. I said, alright, go ahead and drop her in 57. Alrighty, so we did that, called up dispatch, and they said, yep, come to the Winnipeg yard here and pick up an empty trailer to bring it back to the yard. Apparently it needs some floor work done on it, so they want it back in Steinbach to do the floor work on it, because they don't have a shop in Winnipeg. They only have a shop here in Steinbach. So that's what we did. Went down to the yard, picked up the empty trailer, and here we are on Highway 1 eastbound and down. Yeah, we got us about, I would say half an hour, and we'll be at the yard here at Steinbach and drop off this trailer, and then I'll do my paperwork and hand all that stuff in, so that way they have all that. And then the wife will probably come and pick me up from Penner's, because it's fairly cold out here still. So I think I'm going to leave the truck here sitting at Penner's yard, so that way the APU unit can run, my bunk heater and all that can run. I don't have to worry about it. Look at that, another CN railway train going to Winnipeg. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. Drop the truck just at Penner's yard there, and the wife will come pick me up, and then we'll just leave it there. Because I mean, I'm just home for a reset, and then I'm going out on Saturday again. If they give me a load right away, which I'm really hoping they will. That would be really nice. I need to get good miles again this month. Need to continue my my work here, right? If I want to get good paychecks, I need to keep it pretty steady, right? They always say if you don't work, you don't deserve a paycheck, or our saying used to be, if you don't work, you don't deserve to have bread on the table. Well, I guess in some way that's true. But anyways, looks like it's starting to get a little cloudy up here. I don't think we're supposed to be getting any snow though. I think that's supposed to miss us, but I guess the clouds still reach up to here. Alright guys, we have made it home. Yes indeed we have. And guess what time it is? Supper time. Let's take a look. Yeah. Look at that. We got us a nice Chinese supper. Look at that. Even comes with soup. And what's this girl up to? Smiling today? Smiling today? Yeah? You were very happy that Daddy came home. Oh yeah, she put a big smile on. Was talking to me for a little while and looking over towards where I was sitting and just smiling. Yep. And this boy over here, he's just eating away. He's hungry boy. Yep. So, let's have a good supper, guys.